In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube, okay? Without investing any money. In this video, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more, okay? And as you can see in my balance over here, I have $9,210 in my balance available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. I will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, okay? So what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, just click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and it's super easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, okay? Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. It's super easy, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote, promote on YouTube, okay? So this is the method that I'm using. So what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage like this, okay? So first, why I choose to promote my affiliate links on YouTube. So did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from YouTube, okay? Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, product topics on YouTube, okay? And you can make really a lot of money if you start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube, okay? There is so much traffic and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Google is number one and YouTube is number two, okay? And you can get so much traffic for free. So anyways, so what you will do, just go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search, ask questions. So for example, you will ask how, you can ask any question, how to run Instagram, for example. And here you go. So for example, I asked how to run Instagram and YouTube give me those topics that people are searching for on YouTube, okay? Those people has money. People who are searching for how to run Instagram ads, they have money and they want to run Instagram ads for their business, okay? Maybe for product to get more sales or for any business, okay? How to run Instagram ads, how to run Instagram ads for business, how to run Instagram ads for clothing brand, how to run Instagram ads on Facebook Ads Manager, for Shopify, and so much more. So what I will do, I will take this topic, how to run Instagram ads, I will go to my Fiverr homepage, I will click on the search, I will search for Instagram ads, okay? It's super easy. Scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. Those people, so those people who are searching for how to run Instagram ads, they will be interested, a lot of people will be interested to buy this service, okay? Because they are searching for how to run Instagram ads. They don't know how to do it, and those sellers on Fiverr will do it for those people. It's super easy, okay? So let's choose, for example, so I want you to pay attention. So make sure to choose good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link, okay? So what you will do, I will set up Facebook and Instagram ads for this one looking really good, like this one.
For your social media marketing needs. And how did it happen? The answer is simple. Because you are my target audience. You are probably...
So what you will do, so let's take this one. This one is a pro seller. You can earn a lot of commission from pro sellers, okay? So what you will do, but don't focus just on pro sellers, just choose a good seller. Level 1, level 2, level top rated seller. Those sellers are good sellers, okay? So for example, I will choose this one. For example, let's choose this one, okay? I will click on his service, okay? And you will be directly in his Fiverr profile. And as you can see, this seller has almost 16 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service, okay? So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link. So just copy this seller profile link like this. Go to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link, okay? So what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr and scroll down, click on his video.
Welcome to my gig. You've come to the right place for your...
This video looking good. Double click and click on save video, okay? Save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it, for example, Instagram ads. Save, okay? After you do that, what you will do next, you will go to Google, you will search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. It's super easy. Click on video. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video to your Canva account, okay?
Welcome to...
Like this, open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background, and that's it. Click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. So for me, I always use this one because it's looking good. Click on the text style that you want to use. Your text style will be here. I will delete this part. I will make this one short, like small, like this. You can decrease the font size from here or increase font size from here, okay? Double click and write this sentence. Check link in my description, like this, okay? And make this text like this. Okay, after you finish, click on element and click over here on shape. Okay, click on color and you choose black color. Then what you will do, you will click on this shape and put...
Welcome to my gig. You've come to the right place for your social media marketing needs. Welcome.
Okay, click on, let's finish this one first. Click on this shape and make it like this, okay? And here you go. Check link in my description. So I will put my affiliate link in my YouTube description for this video, okay? So let's check this video again.
My gig. You've come to the right place for your social media marketing needs. And how did it happen? The answer is simple. Because you are my target audience.
This is really looking good. I will click on share and I will click on download, okay? And you will download this video to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, upload this video, add this one, okay? Add this YouTube title. Just copy this title, how to run the Instagram ads, and use the same title. Don't change or add anything. You can use this title, how to run Instagram ads for your business, okay? and use those keywords and copy all those keywords and use those keywords in your tags, okay? And this keyword here, how to run Instagram ads for your business, use this title in your YouTube title, okay? Upload this video, go to your YouTube, go to back to Fiverr affiliate account, to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. You can copy this link, Fiverr CPA old plan. If you don't have this option, that's fine. You can use this new Fiverr plan, okay? Copy Fiverr Pro affiliate link from here, go to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. You are making content that people are searching for. Those people who are searching for how to run Instagram ads, they have money and they are ready to invest money. So if just 10%, if let's say for example 1 million of people are searching for how to run Instagram ads, if just like for example it's just 100 people will be interested to buy and they will buy this service from your affiliate link, you can earn a lot of money, okay? Those people have money, they are ready to invest money, they don't know how to run Instagram ads. You will help those people by uh, showing those people that those sellers on Fiverr can help run Instagram ads for their businesses, okay? I hope this is clear for you, and I make my best to explain and to make it super easy and simple, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you don't know exactly how to add affiliate link in your YouTube description, how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, check link in my YouTube description, okay? I will leave a link of my YouTube video showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can add affiliate link to this video. It's super easy, and see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this.